This is a 2024 Land Cruiser. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light. So basically you're going to use the back button, the up, down, left, right, and enter. And so right now, you in this screen, you hold the OK button. Then after that pop up, you scroll down. Where it says setting, push OK. Scroll down. Push enter. Hold it down. Hold down the OK. After that, go down. Go down. Go down. Push OK. Go up and push OK. And wait for a couple of seconds. It will reset. Okay. Then now you're going to go down. Push OK. Then go back up and push OK. After that, just push back. It's this one. Back. And that's it.